Hey besties, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make Akara. If you have beans, you can make this. It tastes really delicious. In my blender, I'll be going in with my washed beans. Note guys, these beans, I washed it and I removed the whiter part from it. Then once I'm done, I will transfer to my blender. I'll go in with my scotch bonnet pepper, onion, and I will add water and blend this together. Beans is very strong, so you have to blend it very well till it's soft and it's turned like this. Then I'll transfer this to my bowl. The first one I blended, I added pepper and onion, but the second one I just blended. That's why it's having two colors. I'll mix this together. Then I will add my onion, seasoning cube. I used one seasoning cube, and I'm going to add my salt. Once I add the salt, I will mix this together. I will taste it. Once the ingredient is enough inside, then I will transfer this to my frying pan. In my pan, to get that nice taste of this particular recipe, I'll first of all go in with one onion. I will allow this to fry. Once it's frying, then I'll go in with my butter. I will add it like this. I will give a little bit of space so that they won't gum together. Trust me guys, this tastes really good. In my country, this is called Akara. I don't know if you've tried this before, but if you have, I would like to know what you're calling it in your country. Once this fry in medium heat, I will not flip to the other side so that they will fry all together well. Make sure you fry yours on a medium heat so that it will not get burnt. Once I turn it like this, I will allow it to rest for some time. Then it is ready. I'll transfer this to my filter. I'm going to repeat this process again so that you will see what I'm talking about and you have a more understanding on how to make this. It's very easy. It's less time consuming. The only time that you spend while doing this particular recipe is when you're washing the beans, because it actually take a lot of time to remove that whiter part from the beans. So once I'm done with this, I'll make sure I remove those other smaller ones inside so that it will enable my akara fry where the other ones will not get burnt. So I'll remove this smaller one so that it will not over fry. Then I will now go in with my akara again for the second time. I will repeat this process till I have exhausted all the akara. So if you are thinking of what to do, if you have beans at home and you don't know what to use it for, you can try this recipe. Believe me guys, you will love it. I'm going to eat this with my pap, or you can say pudding. You can eat this with your pudding. If you have custard, you can eat this with your custard. If you have bread, you can actually eat this with bread. So look how it is looking. Once it's golden brown, you'll know that it is ready. I'm going to remove this from the heat. Then I will turn off my gas. Wait till the end. I'm going to show you how it is and the quantity that came out. Mind you guys, this particular recipe, I used 1.5 cup of beans, white beans. I used 1.5 cup of beans. That beans that have black head. That was the beans that I used. So this is it. Look how beautiful it's looking. So guys, thanks for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.